So in today's video, I'm going to be showing how to make your own homemade neem shampoo at home. This is a great way to control all the ingredients that you add to your shampoo, and it will help to clear out dandruff, dry and itchy scalp, and also control hair fall. So stay tuned. So to make this hair shampoo, you will need your neem leaf. You can use the fresh or dry neem leaf. So I'll be making use of fresh neem leaves. So I'm going to pluck the leaves, wash it to remove any dirty. Neem leaf contains antifungal and antibacterial properties which will help to fight dandruff, keep the scalp healthy. It will also help to reduce itchy scalp. Using neem leaf will help to nourish, moisturize, cleanse the scalp so that you can have a healthy and long hair. So when I'm done washing the neem leaf, I'm going to add it into the blender, add little water, blend until smooth. So if you don't want to blend your neem leaf, you can decide to add water, allow it to boil for about 8 minutes, then strain to get the liquid. So when I'm done blending, I'm going to sieve to get the juice. So after straining to get the neem leaf juice, I'll be adding about 5 tablespoons of neem leaf juice. Use any shampoo of your choice. I'll be adding about 3 tablespoons of shampoo. Then stir to mix properly. So when I'm done adding the shampoo, you can decide to add aloe vera or any essential oil of your choice. So I'll be adding few drops of tea tree oil. Tea tree oil is so good because to help to improve circulation to the scalp. Then I'm going to stir to mix properly. When you are done mixing, you can store this in any bottle and use whenever you want to use. So whenever you want to use this, make sure that you shake it so that all the ingredients will mix. Then apply this on a wet hair, massage it gently into the scalp and leave it to sit for about 5 minutes before you can rinse it out with warm water. Then follow up with your conditioner. You can use this shampoo at least 2 times a month and use this to prevent dandruff, reduce hair fall, straighten your hair roots and prevent scalp infection. I hope you will try this. Thank you all for watching.